In an era where modern warfare is increasingly defined not just by firepower, but by information, speed, and precision, the Philippine Air Force is taking a bold step into the future. At the forefront of this transformation is a powerful collaboration between the Philippine Air Force, the Department of Science and Technology Advanced Science and Technology Institute, and a growing network of Filipino defense innovators.
During the recent C4IS Technology Day, a new generation of Filipino-made unmanned systems took center stage. Unmanned aerial systems, autonomous platforms, and loitering drones, all designed, developed, and refined locally. This is not just a showcase of technology, this is a declaration. A declaration that the Philippines is serious about building its own defense capabilities under the Self-Reliant Defense Posture, or SRDP. For decades, the armed forces of the Philippines relied heavily on imported systems. While effective, this approach came with limitations: cost, dependency, and delayed access to critical technologies. But today, that narrative is changing. Through SRDP, the government is pushing for a defense ecosystem where Filipino talent, local industries, and national agencies work hand in hand to design systems tailored specifically for the country's unique operational environment. And nowhere is this more evident than in the development of unmanned aerial systems. Among the most compelling technologies showcased during the event were loitering drones, sometimes referred to as kamikaze drones. These systems combine surveillance and strike capabilities into a single platform. They can hover over a target area, identify threats, and engage with precision when necessary. For a country focused on maritime security and territorial defense, this capability could be a game changer. But the story doesn't end with drones themselves. What truly defines modern military capability is integration, the seamless flow of information across platforms. This is where C4IS comes in: command, control, communications, computers, intelligence, and surveillance. The C4IS Technology Day was not just about showcasing hardware, it was about connecting systems. What makes this initiative even more significant is the collaboration behind it. The Philippine Air Force is no longer working in isolation. By partnering with the DOST Advanced Science and Technology Institute and local tech companies, the military is tapping into a broader pool of innovation. This multi-sector approach ensures that development is not only faster, but also more sustainable. Local industries are now being allowed to contribute directly to national defense. From drone airframes and propulsion systems to software algorithms and AI-driven analytics, Filipino engineers are building solutions for Filipino challenges. And in doing so, they are strengthening not just military capability, but also national pride and economic resilience. Regionally, this development also positions the Philippines as an emerging player in defense innovation within Southeast Asia. As neighboring countries continue to modernize their forces, the ability to develop indigenous systems provides a strategic edge. It reduces dependency, enhances sovereignty, and opens the door for potential defense exports in the future. The C4IS Technology Day is more than just an event. It is a look at the future of Philippine defense, where innovation is driven locally, where technology is tailored to national needs, and where partnerships between government, military, and industry create a unified force for progress. The Philippine Air Force's pursuit of innovation is clear. By embracing unmanned systems, integrating advanced C4IS capabilities, and supporting local industries, it is building a modern, resilient, self-reliant force. In the evolving landscape of modern warfare and national security, one thing is certain: the Philippines is no longer just adapting to change, it is shaping it. If you found this video informative, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more updates on Philippine defense and modernization.
Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.